camera. Closet frames, that's cute. Christmas! Aprons, oh that's cute. Sunflowers, oh, butterflies. Oh, I love it. I love butterflies and sunflowers. Oh, that's cute. Cute. Oh, and mandalas. I can't. Cool, that's pretty. A bullet journal. Oh, that's cute. Teacups. Oh my gosh. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Little bees. Cute. Coffee. Shopping. Butterflies. Butterflies! Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cool. Last month, they had like a butterfly poster. Maybe the month before, I can't remember, but it was so cool. I love this. It's just so cute. Little picnic. Strawberries, banana bread, and bees, honeybees. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Is this stickers? Oh my gosh, it's stickers. That is so cool. They're cute. These would be perfect for my recent trip to San Diego. I did a video on it, but maybe I'll add some more of these like summery travel stickers. Oh, pony! How pretty. It's so cute. I love this magazine. Oh, that's cute. I'm in my dining room right now, right next to my chalk wall. So, kind of a cool chalk table. Daphne's Diary subscription. I will have the link in the description if you want to check it out. But you can also pick up this magazine at Barnes & Noble. There's like poems and really pretty stationery and games and beautiful art, design, architecture. Like I said, stationery. Look at how cute this travel bingo is. Pizza. Puppies. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love it. Perfect. It's like got the stationery or crafter in mind when they put together this beautiful magazine. How cute. That's pretty. Pizza flatbread. Oh my gosh. Flamme quiche. Flatbread. I love flatbread. This is amazing. I need to learn how to pronounce that because I'm pretty sure it's flatbread. That looks so good. This is my favorite snack lately because I made my own sourdough starter. So I can make like flatbread dough or pizza dough pretty easy and then top it with some of the stuff that's coming out of the garden right now. Mainly tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and basil. Oh my gosh, look at all of this flatbread. Obsessed. Inspiration for summer. Oh, how cute. I love it. This is so pretty. Reminds me of Idaho, but it's Luxembourg. Birds. Oh, a little hedgehog. Wow. 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 That's amazing. Whoa. How beautiful. Finally getting some flowers in the garden. Lots of sunflowers. There's always like recipe cards which you can like tear out, put in a recipe box. I have a like cookbook I add them to. That looks delicious. What's this? Summer fan. Is that this? What is this? A poster? Oh my gosh, how cool. It's like an ocean scene. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Because my chalk wall is going to be ocean themed. How did Daphne know? Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. This is really adorable. Turtle. Cute little fishies. Okay, I love this poster. Definite inspiration for the chalk wall. This looks like a doily. This is going to be so cute to add into a journal. It's supposed to be this fan? Oh, I think it is. It is. It's got these folds. It's cute. Oh, how cute. Smart Simon. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, how beautiful. Love it. Oh, how cute. This is amazing. Definitely add this to my summer journals. Mocktails. Oh, how cute. Yum. Toy museum. Oh, how cute. Ice cream cones. Cute. How beautiful. Chalk journals. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, how cute. Junk journals. I love journals. I love junk journals. This is amazing. How cute. Fake lemons. It's adorable. Pretty. Unusual fruit. Those are gorgeous.